Bett 2026 here at Excel London, where over the course of 3 days, thousands of visitors will be coming through the doors here at the world's largest EdTech show. As you can see here behind me, it looks very cool. This is the Scan stand, so let's show you around. This year's Scan is showcasing workshops and demos across esports, live production, games, AI and robotics. Here in the esports area, we've got a full-on Rocket League tournament going on, and these are being powered by our eye-catching and super powerful Scan 3XS PCs. Each of these has got an ASUS TUF 5090 graphics card and powered by an Intel Ultra-Core processor with super fast Seagate FireCuda SSDs. Each of the gaming stations has got the latest eArmor monitors and Corsair and Elgato peripherals. And of course, we brought a racing sim setup, which always brings in the crowds, but this year we've taken it up a notch with our 3XS Apex. Here in the media and live production zone, we have got VIZRT's TriCaster Flex here, which gives visitors the chance to have a go at vision mixing and live streaming using NVIDIA Broadcast and OBS. And on the other side of this wall is our games development station, where our friends from College of Esports will be running workshops throughout the show, so do come along and check it out. Over in the STEM Hub, we've got ASUS on stand with us, who brought along their desktop supercomputer. It's the Ascent GX10. Then we have robotic arms from Dobot demonstrating their capabilities by playing Connect 4. We also have Unitree robots on stand, specifically the Go-To robot dog and the G1 humanoid. The gigantic LED screen that you can see here behind me is from Dahua, and we also have a range of their pro-grade screens dotted around the Scan stand. This year's Scan really have gone bigger and bolder than ever. Not only have we got the latest high-end EdTech solutions here on display on the stand, but we've actually taken it one step further and sponsored the whole equipment and hardware hall. As ever, loads to see and do here with Scan. So if you are coming along to Bett 2026, do pop along and see us. You'll find us on Stand NJ70.